our students have been getting $6 to $10 cost per lead while running Facebook ads to attract AI agent clients. And with that, they successfully sell a $3,000 to $4,000 setup fee alongside with $297 to $497 monthly subscription to maintain the software platform. With ChatGPT Matthew, that's a $30,000 return of investment if you get a $10 lead and sell them a $3,000 product. That's insane. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact ad setup without any gatekeep, and I want to show you the step-by-step script that allow our student to actually close this high ticket deal alongside with the software subscription. Let's go. So firstly, guys, I want to start with the ad template, and this is just one of our ad template that work really well. Okay, so if you want this doc, just make sure that you check the link in the description and join our Skool community where we actually offer the entire ad setup alongside with other ad template that work really well. But this one is a new one. It's called Try Our AI Agent for 7 days for free. Okay, it have very stupid simple looking ad like this, but it does work, guys, and it get a really good cost per lead for our student and our client. Okay, so alongside with all of this fancy creative, we also have a very simple one such as this, a very big writing on the screen with a black background that, you know, it really just attract people attention with just a few keyword right there. Okay, and it says 7 days your AI agent work, you watch. Okay, the other template, we also have something similar of getting more appointment without cold calling using AI. Try it for 7 days for free. So these are the ad angle that we're going to be putting out on Meta and going to be attracting the people who are interesting in this lead magnet or in this offer. Now you must be asking yourself, well, how am I going to be making money working for free? Right? So first of all, let me answer with a proper mind map like this in a whiteboard. I love using Miro. First of all, it is not for free. It is for free for 7 days. So after 7 days, they will be paying you. You have to keep that in mind. First of all, I want to start with the ad side. Okay, we're going to be offering people 7-day free trial with our AI agents. Right now, once they click on the ad, right, again, we'll show you how to set this up in our Skool community. Make sure you check it out. They will go into a booking page, which is reframed as an onboarding call. Right, we're going to be asking people a lot of questions before they get into that call, such as what's the size of your business, what kind of business are you running, and what's your goal in terms of wanting an AI agent. Is it to book more appointment, to qualify more lead, or to generate more lead? Okay, so we actually ask people a lot of questions, which make the people coming on board a lot more qualified. Okay, when they come on board, we actually want to give them the actual access. And again, you don't have to set up anything. If you watch our previous video about the Whitelabel video, again, all you have to do is just putting all this Whitelabel video in a Skool platform and let your client access it and ask you any question if they have any help, and then give them the CRM access, which is GoHighlevel access with a password and a username with EchoSetter AI connected. Again, if you want to know how to set all this up, which only gonna take you like 5 minutes on that Zoom call to give them access to everything and connect to EchoSetter AI, make sure that you actually visit our free Skool community. We'll outline everything in the module and get a 30-day free trial of GoHighlevel using the link somewhere around in the descriptions. So after we give them access to everything, the next phase is to actually ask them a bunch of questions to discover the main pain point of why they want AI agent in the first place. Right, this is just a mind map, really vague bird's eye view, but the actual script is like, hey John, what motivates you to actually want to have an AI agent installed in your business? And then he gonna answer yada 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 yada. And the next question would be, how long have this been happening? Right, so we want to get a scale of time which magnify their pain point. If someone had been stuck for 2 years, they're gonna have a lot more pain than someone who's been stuck for only 2 weeks. Okay, and the next logical follow-up question would be, okay John, how much would it be costing us if nothing changed? And this will cause the prospects to spill out all of his pain and his problem if nothing have changed. If AI agent was not installed, if the business is not being streamlined, if automation is not being set up, if email and SMS not being sent, how much is it going to be costing your business every day, every minute, and every year? right? So those are the questions that are going to be bringing out the prospect's pain point. Again, we have an in-depth sales training video in our Skool community. Make sure that you check that out. Link somewhere around this video. So the next part on that onboarding call is to actually make them a genuine offer. So this is what I would say. Hey John, it sounds like it's going to cost us this much with the current setup, and that's completely normal. We call that the opportunity cost. So what that means is that by not doing anything, your business is losing out on future opportunity or otherwise money that you could have made if you make changes right now with the right system in place. So what we're going to do is that we're going to help you set up the entire automation, AI agents and system in matter of 14 to 21 days with a one-time setup. So this is how we normally pitch guys, is to get them on an onboarding call, discover the pain point, and pitch a done for you services, given that we already given them access to do it themselves if they want to. However, if you're doing a very good job at bringing out the pain point, this $2,000, $6,000 or whatever price that you charge them to set up would mean nothing, would mean very insignificant to the opportunity cost that they experience right now. So if they say yes to your high ticket done for you offer, meaning that you have to set up everything for them, congratulations, you just got your first high ticket client, right? Now, if they say no, right, no problem, because at the end of that 7-day free trial, right, you're going to be charging them a monthly subscription for the AI and for the software anyway, alongside with rebuilding, where you can actually make passive, easy markup on their SMS, AI agent minute, or email sender. Okay. Now, if they do say no, what I normally do is to schedule a 7-day follow-up, which is same time, same day, a week from now, and just say something along the line, say, hey, John, I completely understand. We want you to have the best outcome for your business. So why don't we meet same time, same day next week for you to actually set everything yourself up? I'm going to be giving you my best support and my video as well, a step-by-step video. And you can try to do everything yourself. And we'll meet again in 7 days to see how far you can get set up. And on that day, we're going to be deciding what's going to be a good fit for you in terms of our program. Okay, so this is very low key, no pressure, value first. I really like it. And I think with you guys who are just starting out, offering someone 7 days for free is gonna get you a lot of authority, a lot of goodwill up front, and you're gonna trigger this reciprocation emotion where, again, like you're doing something nice for them, now they feel like they want to do something nice for you back, which is become a paying client for your business. Now, if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. The full training on this with sales script setup and everything is going to be in our Skool community, which is again for free anyway. Make sure that you actually check that out in the link in the description. And if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.